so let's get started with our strawberry chicken salad. Yes, yes, yes. Here I have some chicken tenderloin, and I just added some olive oil, and I am massaging it, as you can see, to make sure it's well coated. Now I'm adding some garlic powder, some onion powder, and here I'm adding salt-free lemon pepper seasoning. I get this one from RD. I love this stuff. It's really good, guys. Go to RD and get you some. It's salt-free. And also garlic blend, salt-free, also from RD. And you could add as much as you like of this stuff. It's salt-free, okay? Okay. Here I have some Italian seasoning. Again, salt-free. I'm adding some black pepper. A little bit of cumin. All these seasonings are salt-free. Now I'm adding a little bit of sea salt. About two pinch. I had a total of, I believe it was 6 pieces of chicken tenderloin. There was nice size pieces. And now making sure I'm mixing it good. Now I'm adding a little bit of orange juice. I love me some citrus in my chicken. Love it, love it, love it. Sometimes I also add some lemon juice. You choose what you want to do. As you can see, you see how quick that lemon juice soaking into that chicken. Oh, Lord, it makes it so tasty, and it makes it even more tender. So here I'm adding some Spanish paprika. You can add as much as you like. It gives it that crisp. It gives it that color. Oh, man. And of course, it's salt-free, okay? So you can add as much as you like. If you want to use the smoked paprika, also do so. Now I'm adding some parsley. So as you can see, guys, everything I used pretty much was salt-free. And I just added a little bit of that salt. But when I tell you these tenderloin were tasty, yes, sir, they were tasty. So here I have my fire. I'm using this copper pan because I love this pan when I want to get a nice sear. I either use that or I use my cast iron. But I decided to use this one. This one gets pretty hot pretty quick. Okay, so here I'm adding my tenderloin. Make sure you cooking your tenderloins, guys. After you put it in, lower your fire real quick to medium low. Okay, you pretty much need like 2 minutes or maybe 3 on each side. Look at that sear right there. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. And when I tell you this was delish, it was delish. I like that little crisp right there. Oh my God, that's all right there. That's the taste. That's the start, okay? When I tell you. But then again, inside it was so tender and juicy when I tell you. Now we're going to put our salad together. I got me some organic minced greens. And now we're going to slice the strawberry, guys. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Also hit that like button. And do not forget that bell icon so you could get notifications every time I upload a new video. Also, leave me some comments. Let me know what kind of recipes you would like to see. I'm trying to bring you a few summer recipes. They are light and healthy for the summer. It's been getting really hot, guys, around the country, like really hot. So let's stay hydrated and eat fresh veggies and things like that. So here I'm adding some dried cranberries. I love me some dried cranberries on my salad. And now I'm adding some whole walnuts. You could chop them up a little bit more if you like. I like mine just like that. And guys, when you make these salads and the way you lay the veggies or the fruits on the salad, it just make you feel like you eating at a restaurant. Okay? And now I'm laying down some feta cheese. But you could add any crumble cheese or your preference, some goat cheese, some blue cheese, you name it, Parmesan cheese, whatever you like. I'm choosing feta today. And look at my beautiful tenderloin. Ooh, Lord, Lord, Lord. And I tell you that tenderloin was tender. It was super, super tender. I'm going to show you in a minute. I hope you're able to see the juices coming out of that. I was trying to show you. Oh, man, when I tell you I enjoyed this salad, guys, I took it to work. Oh, man, I really, really, really enjoyed it. And the best thing when you are at work and you have lunch and you come back and you don't feel heavy and you're still able to function and you feel light but you feel good, and this what this salad did for me. Okay, guys, so I hope you give this salad a try. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next recipe. Have a wonderful day.